As requested, I would like to show you the difference between the DBK-HT bridge and the Pololu18v25. So I have connected both the same MC that goes to the Pololu, the second channel, and the first channel goes to the other HT bridge. So I connected the oscilloscope on the positive on one of the power leads of the motor, and I have the same here for the other motor. That's the wiper motor. You can just plug it there and measure the other motor. So I'll show you the difference in the pulses. I'll start by doing for the Pololu one. Okay, so put it there so you can see the difference. I'm using the potentiometer for the second motor, the wiper motor, so you can see the little pulses even with 9% pulse width modulation. I have some motion. Okay, and you can see the pulse going gradually up all the way. And the thing is, when I rotate the other way, the other direction, I don't get any feedback. It remains to zero because this connection of the motor, this pole, is just zero now. Positive, it pulses at zero. Let me zero it. Okay, now I'll connect the oscilloscope on the other driver so I can show you the difference. Okay, it's connected there. I use the other potentiometer here so you can see it. So I start from zero, but no power in the motor. As soon as I do a click, like it goes all the way 12 volts. It doesn't move anything, it doesn't produce anything. Then it starts doing some sort of pulses. That's not exactly pulse width modulation, it's like ringing. But if you can see the duty cycle, I measure it, it's 28% of the pulse, 21.6 kHz. So during this time the motor doesn't move. You can see just by the ringing, it's 45, 49, 50% the pulse. So after 55% you can start to see some movement there in the motor, and after that it accelerates normally. And if I go the other direction, I should see here negative, but I don't. I see pulses again on the motor. It's like switching from high to low. So somehow I get these pulses even on the negative side of the rotation of the motor. It's like switching back and forth the motor. And maybe that's the reason why I get this ringing until the 50% of the motion. Okay. Now one way I found to somehow filter that, I added 470 nanofarad on the motor. I had one microfarad before, but I found it not working too well. It was too sharp, so I use this. It's almost the whole range, so I'll just plug it there so you can see the difference with it. So with the little filtering, it's very close to the motion that the Pololu motor driver produces. Other than that, it's like it has a gap between the start at 50% of the motion, so it's not completely useless. Okay. With a little capacitor you can fix that easily.